On today's menu we have crispy potato pockets. Hello fellow chefs, this is Zainab Ali. Welcome to Dish Out. Here I try to recreate and improvise recipes while reserving the authentic taste of the dish. Make sure to subscribe if you're new and don't forget to like, comment and share if this recipe was good enough for your taste buds. Firstly, pour oil in a heated pan. Drop in cumin seeds and coriander seeds, followed by chopped onion and ginger. Mix well. Add in chopped green chilies and chopped green bell pepper. Dash in turmeric powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder, salt, and garam masala. Put in mashed potatoes. Incorporate. Throw in some coriander leaves. Now take a bowl with wheat flour. Pour in hot oil. Give it a crumbled consistency. Gradually mix in water to knead. Then roll out the dough and cut it in a square shape. Add in the filling. Seal it. Put it in hot oil and fry until cooked. Thank you for watching.